Hey guys, it's the Budget Epicurean, and today I'm going to be making a tofu ranch dressing. Now, sounds kind of crazy, but just listen. So everybody loves ranch dressing, right? It's delicious. Look at the salad. It's just begging to be covered in ranch. But I think we all know ranch is not a health food, right? Ranch in 2 tablespoons, which who actually measures or uses only 2 tablespoons, has 140 calories, 260 milligrams of sodium, no protein whatsoever, 14 grams of fat. That is almost a quarter of your day's worth just in 2 tablespoons right there. So not the best thing ever, but it's delicious and I want it on my salad. So what do? You make a healthier version at home. Super simple. This is all you need. So we've got our, I'm not sure what this is even called. Silken tofu. It's vacuum packed. You can find it in Asian grocery stores or online. It is shelf stable for like ever, or at least a year. And it's a lot softer than the tofu you get in water at the store. So that's our base. It's going to make it nice and creamy and ranch-like. Then we've got our apple cider vinegar for that little bit of tang. You can also use lemon juice if you prefer. Italian seasonings, of course, because it's ranch dressing. It's got Italian seasonings in it. Some garlic salt and extra garlic because we love garlic. And then just a little bit of plant milk to kind of loosen it up. So you can really use any kind of milk you like. It doesn't have to be almond milk. That's just what I have right now. But you could use rice or oat or regular milk would be fine too. So you do need scissors to open this container. It's in these nice little vacuum sealed thingamajigs, and you just cut up the sides and then across the top. Open that up. And that is what silken tofu looks like. It's got a little bit of moisture in there, but it's not like the tofu in the refrigerator section that's packed in water. Oops. So it just kind of pops out of the container, just like that. And we can kind of get the stuff in the back. Tofu is super, super good for you. Actually has a ton of protein because it's made from soybeans. So remember how ranch dressing in 2 tablespoons has 0 grams of protein? 2 tablespoons of this is going to have almost 6 grams of protein. So that's pretty great. And this is 140 calories. 2 tablespoons of this is only going to have 40 calories. So you can have, 4 times as much. So we just threw in our garlic clove and our tofu. I'm going to pulse that to get the garlic kind of chopped up. Oh, it would help if I plugged it in. All right, I'm going to add our seasonings. So we need about a tablespoon's worth of Italian. We've already got a clove of garlic in there, so we don't need a ton of garlic salt. If you want to just use garlic salt or garlic powder plus salt, that works as well. But I'm going to go with about a teaspoon. And then a good tablespoon's worth of cider vinegar. That's going to give it that tangy flavor, like I said, and just a touch of sweetness. But you can use lemon juice if you prefer. So then we're just going to let this guy go. All right, you can see that's already getting so much creamier, but we want to wipe down the sides because some of the little chunks of tofu will get all up on the sides as it blends. So you want to get it all down in there. No chunkiness allowed. Swipe off some of those seasonings too. Get it all into the bowl. And then I'm going to set it again and then drizzle in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our almond milk. All right, so the milk gives it that creaminess of ranch and thins it a little bit as well. So taste it, see how it is. Really good with the herbs. And use a touch more salt. And if you like the flavor of black pepper, you can also add some black pepper as well. And then this base is great and so customizable. You can turn it into a buffalo ranch or add some lemon to it. Pretty much whatever you would do with ranch. We go. We've got some lovely, super guilt-free homemade tofu ranch dressing, and this will keep in the refrigerator for at least a week up to about 10 days, as long as you put it in something airtight and refrigerate it. But after you try it, I doubt it'll last that long. If you want it thinner, use a little bit more of the almond milk. If you don't want it to be thin, you want it more like a thick dipping sauce for wings or whatnot, then don't add any milk. But this is just about the right consistency for what I like to put on my salad. So it's nice and kind of thick and sticks to your veggies. And there you have it. I don't even have to worry about how much I'm putting on here because I can have up to a quarter cup and I'm still not even at 150 calories. So there you have it. Beautiful, super delicious, super easy tofu ranch dressing. Hope you give it a try.